So that we can avoid that artist block, before I start designing without knowing what I'm going to do, I like to investigate a little bit. I take my time to look for some references. It is true that inspiration will come when you're not expecting it. But for when that moment comes, we have to work. The ideal thing to do, or at least the best thing for me, is to do an online search or to look at my design books, keeping my mind open and looking at what other artists have done. Thanks to the Gram or Pinterest, looking for references, we don't have to go to the library or go through thick art books. We can say goodbye to those books of cutouts that we accumulate and with which we're also damaging the environment. On Pinterest, we can create our own boards on whatever topic we want. For example, to do something on illustrations in the 50s, I made this board. I didn't just look for designs in the same graphic line. I looked for hairstyles, characters, clothes, colors, etc. In this way, I could become familiarized with the style of that decade. For this job, I made this board because I had a clear idea of what I wanted to draw, which is going to be a peacock figure. I'll explain later when we're designing what made me go for this. On my board, I didn't just save the peacock designs. I also used photos to look at poses, the feathers, hair shape, everything that might be useful to me. Once I had all these images, I looked at them, I thought about them a lot, and then I started working with them. Even if it's just doodling, because as I said, to get a good creative idea, I need to investigate, sketch a lot, take moments of disconnection, and sometimes even work on other projects. Seeing as my mind does need to disconnect from something for a break. See you guys in the next lesson when we'll start the sketch. Bye!